Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Habib Faris Wibisana Mahfud from Mercubuana University, majoring in Informatic Engineering. I will explain about manufacturing. Design project for spare part production, information system using C++ programming lead. First I will explain design flowchart. A flowchart is a graphical initial description of the steps and sequence of progress in a program. Flowcharts help analysts and programmers to break problem into smaller segments and help analyze other alternative or in operation. I will explain class diagram. Class diagram are one of the most useful types of diagrams in UML. This is because they can clearly map certain system structures by modeling classes, attributes, operations, and relationships between objects. Class diagrams describe as well as description or descriptions of classes, attribute, and object. In addition to is also relationship with each other, such as inheritance, containment, association, and others. Class diagram are able to give us a broader view of a system by showing classes and their relationships. Class diagrams can be said to be static. The reason is because class diagrams do not describe what happens if they are related, but rather describe the relationship or occur. I will explain data flow diagram. Data flow diagram is a way of method to design a system which is oriented to the data flow that move in a system later. In making information system, DFD is often used. DFD is made by analysis to create a good system, where this DFD will be given to programmers to do the coding process, where the programmers to do coding in accordance with the DFD made by the previous analyst. I will explain entity relationship diagram. HRD, but entity relationship diagram is a model to explain the relationship between data in a database based on basic data objects that have relationship between relationship. HRD is used to model data structures and relationship between data. Some notations and symbols are used to describe it. Basically, there are the components used in RD, namely A. Entity. Entities are objects the receptions something real and can be distinguished from something else. The symbol of these entities is usually described by a rectangle. B. Attributes. Each entity must have an element can an attribute which serves to describe the characters of the entity. The context of the attribute has something that can identify the context of one element with another. The attribute image is represented by an ellipse symbol. 1. Relationship The relationship between a number of entities that of for different entity sets. The relationship can be described as follows. The relationship that occurs between the sets of entities for example A and B in one database, namely A 1 to 1. The C member of entity can only relate to one member of entity B and vice versa. B 1 to many. Each member of entity A can relate to more than one member to entity B, but not vice versa. C. Many to many. See entity A can relate to many entities in the set entity B and vice versa. B. Implementation of application use. For components of information system. Information system components are divided into 6, namely 1. Input components. Incoming data is then processed to solve any problems that are being faced by user. 2. Component models. The input component enters the system and then process in the component model. Process carried out involve a combination of prediction, logic, and mathematical model so that the output can be as expected. 3. Output components. It can be called an output of information result that has quality. Therefore, it can become document of for a level of management and a system user. Technology components. It acts as a tool and has all the flow and of the information system, namely input, carries out model fashion, storage and access coming data, and products high quality output. 5. Database components. Data that has been entered is then stored is a database or database component. The database component is a set of data connected by database processing software. 6. Component control. System as a control, but only to control if there is a disturbance in the information system. I will explain listing program. Username, password. Ban kode part BZ325V BZ20055. D. Maintenance. Software must be provided to the user and error may be occurred when run in the user environment or maybe the use X for additional functionality. This maintenance can be done with how to production, backup data, and developer. Thank you.